How to fix YouTube loading problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube loading problem on Android phone. First, open the settings and then go to this one, storage, and then click clean up. Now just wait for this one here, junk files. You need to clean it. Just wait for it and then click clean up. And after that, go to click on it and click this one here, and now go to settings and scroll down until you find apps, and then apps again, and open YouTube, and then click force stop here and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back, restart your phone and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.